Introducing the Rockforce Professional 179-piece toolset, the ultimate solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Packed with sockets, ratchets, extensions, and screwdriver bits, this set covers all square drives, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2. Crafted from high-grade CRV steel, every piece ensures durability and a long service life. Whether you're tackling automotive repairs, heavy-duty maintenance, or precision work, this kit has it all. Each tool fits perfectly in the included sturdy carrying case, keeping everything organized and portable. With ergonomic ratchet handles, hex keys, universal joints, and multiple bit types, you'll be ready for any task. Engineered for strength, designed for performance, this is the Rockforce 41793-5 toolkit. Precision, power, professionalism.